Hey guys, in this lesson we are going to see how to remove an element from an array in Shift. Firstly, I want to declare a array here. This is a immutable array. That means the content of this variable cannot be changed later. I will explain you what we have to do. Now I will say the variable name as animal and set this equals to, let's say, animals, and I will say cat and dogs, like here chimps, and the final one, let's say mouse. Okay, now as I said, this array is a immutable variable. That means the content of that array cannot be changed later. We have to make this mutable using var. Right now its content can be changed later. Alright, secondly, how we can remove an element? We can go ahead and say that array variable name dot remove. Here, if we know the position of that element, for example this dogs in the index of 1 0 1, we are counting arrays from index number 0, and then we can say 1 here, right? Secondly, how we can remove unknown index elements? For that, actually we can go ahead and say that array variable name dot filter. Now we have to say braces, not parentheses. Inside braces we have to say $0. This means the first parameter, and then we are checking whether it is not equals to a element content here. For example, if we want to delete dogs, we can say dogs here, and it is checking all the elements, and if those elements are not equals with these dogs, those elements will be added into this array. Now we can set this equals to a new array, right? Using that we will not lose previous array. Let's say arr animals, like this. Alright, now we can go ahead and print both of these arrays. Print animals. Now the thing is, the dogs element has already deleted before coming to this line, so I will add another array here, animals 2, and do the filter for that. Now let's go ahead and print the arr animals, because we are deleting the dogs element in this animals 2 array. Alright, you can see the new array has been printed here, arr animals. Also animals array don't have that dogs element. Alright, this is it for this lecture, and I will see in the next lecture.